What's going on, everyone? Lorenzo here from Brewer Airport Toyota. So today we're going to do a point of view test drive on the 2026 Toyota Camry XLE all-wheel drive. This one's in the heavy metal with the gray interior. This Camry XLE comes with the premium paint. It has the panoramic glass roof, all-weather liner, blackout emblem overlays, door edge guards, door sill protectors, and you get mud guards. The Camry XLE all-wheel drive gets 46 miles per gallon in the city and 46 miles per gallon on the highway, 46 miles per gallon combined. You get Sirius XM for 3 months for free, and then this comes with a 3-year 36 bumper-to-bumper warranty and a 5-year 60,000 on the powertrain. You also get wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. This comes with a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, and this pushes 184 horsepower. It's nice because this one's loaded up. It's got a nice infotainment screen. You get heated seats, you get power seats with lumbar support, and some other stuff. This Camry in particular, MSRP is for $39,572. If you have any questions, reach out to me. I work at Brewer Airport Toyota.